Hi everyone, I'm Slaya, and today I am going to show you how to do MLA format in Google Docs. If you're ready, let's begin. First, create a blank page. After creating the page, the first thing you should do is select Times New Roman as the font and 12-point font size. Now, double-click at the top of the page to open the header. Then click the Insert tab above. Hover your mouse over page elements and click Page Numbers in the new tab that opens. Select the one in the upper left. Now click the Align icon above and select Right Align. As you can see, we've added the page number to the top right of the page. Now you need to write your last name to the left of the page number. Of course, don't use parentheses. Finally, don't forget to change the font of the header to Times New Roman and the font size to 12. This is important. Next, you need to customize the page size and margins. To do this, click the File tab in the upper right corner. Then click on Page Setup. Margins should be 1 inch. If it's displayed in centimeters, that's fine. Simply enter 2.5 for centimeters instead of 1 inch. You should also choose A4 as the paper size. Then click OK. Next, click the line spacing icon and select Double. Click the Align icon and select Left Align. Next, write your full name, your professor's full name, the course name, and the date of assignment. Then select Center Align and type the title of your presentation. After typing the title, press Enter and select Left Align. If you want to add an introduction section, you can select Center Align again and write it. Before writing the content, the first paragraph needs to be set to Intended. You need to set this to 1 inch or 1.7 centimeters by pressing and holding the ruler above and dragging it to the right. Now you can start writing the content. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments section. I hope this How to Do MLA Format in Google Docs tutorial video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.